On today's lesson, I want to show you how you can create your own unique custom guitar parts. Now, the first step is listening. So there's a lot happening with this piano. So we're going to do something simple. Let's choose one note, E. Yeah. It's like that Michael Jackson, that funky one-note thing. What if we just add a couple new notes? That voodoo. Love that. We can also add octaves. Again, a Michael Jackson technique. I want you back kind of thing. What if we add little R&B fills? Just playing in the crevices and the cracks of what the piano's doing. You know? You can lay out on a lot of the chords. Let's try that again. All right, finally, let's start adding some double stops. Something like this. Layout. See, we don't need to play these chords because it kind of sounds weird. Right? If we're playing those chords, it's like redundant, you know? The piano player is already doing it, so why not just make our own thing happen? Something complementary, right? So, thank you so much for tuning into this lesson. I hope it has been helpful. If you find this content useful, you're going to want to check out these videos. Thank you so much. Take care.